Hey builders! Python is the language of choice for data engineering and ML. But most teams run their Python pipelines outside of Snowflake, on EC2, local machines, or external containers. That means constantly moving data out of Snowflake to process it, racking up egress costs, managing dependency environments, and introducing security risks. And when you want to operationalize the logic, you end up with more infrastructure to configure and maintain. Snowpark solved this problem by bringing Python directly to the data, eliminating the operational tax of fragmented processing environments. In this demo, I will show how Cortex Code can take Python pipelines and deploy it to Snowflake end-to-end using just one prompt. Here, I have a Snowpark Python pipeline called salespipeline.py. It reads CSV sales data from a stage, filters out invalid records, things like zero quantities, missing regions, then computes monthly revenue by region and writes the result to a table. This is standard Snowpark data frame code. This code works locally. Now, let's use Cortex Code to deploy it to the Snowflake server side. So the prompt I have is, I have this Python pipeline in this location, deploy it to Snowpark using the specific connection and the specific warehouse. The first thing it does is read the code and validate it against the Snowpark handler best practice. It checks that the function takes a session as the first parameter, that there's no session creation inside the handler, and no environment variables. All the things that will make this fail at runtime inside Snowflake. It confirms that code passes. It then asks how I want to deploy, either a Snow CLI project or direct SQL. I'll go with the Snow CLI project since that's better for version control and CI/CD. It creates the full project structure, a Snowflake YAML in V2 format, the app directory with the handler code, requirements.txt, and an init file. The Snowflake YAML defines the procedure name, the target database and schema, the handler function, and the deployment stage. Then it runs the CLI, Snowpark build, which resolves dependencies and packages the code. And then Snowpark deploy, which uploads the artifact to a stage and creates a stop procedure in Snowflake. After deployment, it verifies this procedure exists with show procedures. Then I ask it to test. It calls the stop procedure, and we can see the result. 5,000 records read, 113 invalid filtered out, 12 monthly region aggregations written to the output table. It even queries the output table to confirm the data looks right. As for the next step, you can also ask, deploy this as a UDF instead of a stop procedure. Schedule this stop procedure to run every hour using a Snowflake task. Now it's your turn. Show me what you can do with Snowpark using Cortex Code.